Hey guys, Big Films 39 here with the Mega Mawile EX Premium Collection Box. Check out the description, guys. There I have a link to a shopping app called Shopkick, which is great. I highly recommend it because it allows you to earn gift cards just for walking into stores. There's no catch. You don't have to buy anything. So check that out, download it, and if you guys do that, let me know, and I will send you some free codes for the online game because I have a ton to give away. I don't use them. I'll send you at least 5. Got plenty to go around. Maybe I'll send you more than 5, so if you're interested, download that. Again, through my link in the description. It's called Shopkick. Highly recommend it. Do that. And I also have a ton of other recent Pokemon unboxings linked in the description, so you guys can check those out. But the Mega Mawile EX Premium Collection Box, got this at Target. It's $40, which I do think is actually rather pricey for a collection box. I mean, you do get 6 boosters, the 2 promos, and the jumbo card, as well as a pin and the coin. But I'm not so high on these collection boxes because I've found just from the ones I bought and also what I see from other YouTubers, the pull rates in these big collection boxes seem to be a lot lower than with the tins and blisters, which are a lot cheaper. So I prefer those, but I do like collecting the pins and the coins and promos. So wanted to get it, yeah. So hoping for something good out of this, but I am limiting my expectations, but you never know. So let's open this guy up. I did just unbox the Hoopa EX Legendary Collection Box, and that was really good. Got a couple of nice pulls out of that. I would like to get the Ash Greninja EX box pretty soon. Alright, so let me show you the promos. I'm going to keep them in the plastic for now. I just, I've damaged a few of them trying to take them out of there, and I really want to be careful when I do it. So I won't take them out, but you guys can still see them really well. There's the Mawile EX, and there's the Mega Mawile EX. I like the pink colored background, especially on the Mega. Looks pretty colorful, looks nice. And there's the coin. I think it might be upside down. Not sure. Here's the pin. Alright. And take a look at the jumbo card. Oh, and here's another promo card. I forgot about the Mawile Spirit Link trainer card. A code card in there, which I will be giving away. And let me put the camera down so I can pull out the jumbo card. I don't really care about the jumbo cards, I care about the promos, but I'll put it in a little plastic sheet and stick it in my binder. I have a couple others, and as I collect more, the collection will grow, but it's the same artwork as the regular sized Mega Mawile EX, but there's the jumbo for you, and let's crack open these packs. Alright, we have 2 Breakthrough, 2 Breakpoint, and 2 Fates Collide. So let's go oldest to newest. I really like that assortment of packs. I'm glad they didn't include any Primal Clash or anything like that. It's the Mega Mewtwo Y booster. With these packs, I feel more confident that we should be able to get at least something good. right. Spupa, Snorlax, Vanillish, Swinub, Noibat, Skiddo, Zorua, Vanillite, Reverse Holo Professor's Letter, and a Parasect. So nothing there. I think I've seen a couple openings of this box, and I know on at least one of them, I think the guy didn't get anything. So hopefully that's not the case with us. Prinplup, Skyla, Glalie Spirit Link, Skiddo, Ralts, Noibat, Magnemite, Piplup, and a Chestnut Break, which I just pulled in the EX Hoopa collection. So this is the second duplicate rare card that I've pulled today. So this is getting a little disappointing, but you know, that's the chance you take. And then a Braviary. So a good pull, but you know, I already had this one. Would have been better to get a different break card, obviously, but you know, that's how it goes. All right, on to Breakpoint. This is the shiny Gyarados. Scizor, Spirit Link, All Night Party. I haven't seen that card before. That's cool. Professor Sycamore, Gibble, Skorupi, Slowpoke, Glameow, Spritzy, Reverse Holo Slowpoke, and Seismitoad. Okay. Second Breakpoint pack, Mega Scizor. Heatmore, Swanna, Cloyster, Spritzy, Shinx, Slowpoke, Phantump, Psyduck, Reverse Holo Numel, and Drapion. Alright, so now it's up to the two Fates Collide packs to save the day here. Fates Collide has actually been really, really good between the two blisters and the 3 tins that I've opened up. And again, you guys can find those videos in the description. So hopefully the luck keeps up here. Alright, Bent Spoon, Altaria Spirit Link, Dome Fossil Kabuto, Binacle, Snubble, Riolu, Deerling, Jigglypuff, Riolu, and a Glaceon EX. So that definitely makes up for the duplicate Chestnut that I pulled. Really good box. I did pull the Glaceon Full Art EX, but not the regular EX, so that is awesome. I'm doing really well with Fates Collide without having yet gotten the booster box. I still want to get one, I think, but I pulled this, the Glaceon Full RDX, Altaria EX or Altaria Full Art EX, and a Regirock EX, and a Holo. So that's good. And now I really don't expect to get anything out of this last pack, but who knows, maybe. Alright, last pack. Wormadam, Random Receiver, Kangaskhan, Carbink, Jigglypuff, Riolu, Deerling, Snubbull, a Delphox Break. Alright, so this has been the best collection box I've ever opened, even though we got one duplicate. In the two Fates Collide packs, we got the Glaceon EX and now the Delphox Break, and there's one more card in here. Let's see what it is. Just a Bronzong. Alright, but I am definitely satisfied with this box now. We got the Delphox Break, got the Glaceon EX, so two rares in the two Fates Collide packs, so that was awesome. And we also got the Chestnut Break, which would have made this a spectacular collection box if I didn't already have it. But obviously that's still a good pull. But yeah, that is it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my other vids linked in the description. And if you guys want some codes for the online game, don't forget to download Shopkick through my link in the description. Thanks, guys. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. I'll definitely have a lot more Pokemon unboxings coming up. Take care, guys. Thanks.